Hello, this is Pause and Practice Excel 5-3. And so this one we're going to be inserting a Smartart graphic to illustrate how revenue results are consolidated for Paradise Lakes Resort. Alright, so to start, we'll be using the same workbook we finished in 5-2. You can rename it into 5-3. The first thing we do is we're going to insert our Smartart graphic. We want to click for a new sheet down here, and on this new sheet we want to name the new sheet Smartart. Now we want to insert a Smartart graphic. This can be found under the Insert tab. There are illustrations, and we want the Smartart. Yours might actually show it, but since my screen is slightly condensed, it's consolidating these as it is. So we're just going to select Smartart. Alright, we want a cycle, which is the list on the left here. And from the cycle, we want where it says the radial Venn. We're going to select OK. And there it is. Alright, when we click this top circle shape here, alright, we're going to type in for the text room and cabin rentals. Alright, do not press enter. Alright, we click the leftmost circle here. We're going to just type in text of excursions. This right text here, we're going to type in shop purchases, and then this bottom text we're going to select spa purchases. In the center, we want to type in total revenue. You'll see that it's automatically adjusting the font size as necessary. Now, we're all the way down here to step 6. Format, position, and size a Smartart graphic. We want to click the frame of the Smartart graphic here. Alright. And we want to come up here to the More button, which is under the Design Tools. Okay. Smartart Styles. We're going to come down here to select the Inset under the 3D Styles. Alright, we're going to now change the Colors button. And we want to choose Colorful Accent. Alright, now we want to point to the Smartart frame to display a move pointer. You can see a little move pointer there. Drag it so it's left hand up here in cell A1. And you can also use the directional keys to move it if necessary. Alright. Next, we want to resize it until it comes down to I-22. And there we are at I-22. And it is resized. We're going to select cell K1 to deselect the Smartart. We are now going to insert a hyperlink. Coming down here to our BPN Walker worksheet, we're going to select cell G2. And we're going to insert a hyperlink. We want to click the link button, which can be found under the Insert tab, the Links group, Hyperlink, and we're going to insert a hyperlink. Alright, we're going to place it in this document, and then we're going to select the sheet name, Smartart, and the text display. We want to type in View Illustration. Screen tip button. We're given the screen tip text saying, click this link to view the graphic, period. And then press OK. We're going to press OK to again insert the hyperlink. Now you can say when you hover over the hyperlink, it says click this link to view the graphic. Just to check it, and it does. Click on it, it takes us over to the Smartart graphic. For step 8, we're going to insert a picture. Going back to our CL and Baudet worksheet here. Alright. And we're going to click the Pictures tab, which is again under our Insert here, our Illustrations group, and we want the picture. We're going to navigate to the folder. Okay, and we want the PLR image here. Press Insert, and you can see that's now inserted. Alright, so now we can choose some options here. The first thing we do is we choose the height. Alright, we replace this height with a default of 0.55 is what we want. Okay, and you can see that it automatically adjusted the height and the width. Now we want to click the color button, and we want to select gold accent color for dark, and we have that. And now we have to move this into a position up here. And we're going to put it right in between, we'll say right about here. Alright, now we're going to select cell A3 just to deselect the image. The last thing we're going to do is mark the workbook as final. Clicking up here to the File tab, right, we can select Protect Workbook and mark it as final. We can press OK to say it will be marked as final, and then saved. And there you go. At this time, you can close the file, close the message box, close the workbook, and go on. Alright, if you have any questions on these 3 Pause and Practices reviews, please feel free to let me know via the discussion board or email.